Hey guys, welcome to Rosie's Dessert Spot. Today we'll be creating this fun stenciled cake decorated with donuts. I've got my 6-inch cake that has already been crumb coated and filled, and I'm applying a funnel coat in buttercream. And if you guys would like to learn how to decorate a cake from start to finish with buttercream, I do have a buttercream cake decorating master course available. I'll be sure to link it in the description box for you guys. When I have a fair amount of buttercream on there, I like to offset it back onto the cake in little pockets that need it, and then continue to smooth. Run your scraper around one more time without stopping, nice and slow. And then with a spatula, you can drag that top lip towards the middle of the cake. When you're happy with the finish, pop your cake into the fridge to set for at least 20 minutes. After which your buttercream should be nice and firm. You can pop some pins into the sides of your cake to hold your stencil secure. I have 4 pins, 2 on either side. Apply some buttercream really thin onto the stencil and then smooth it out with your scraper. I like to smooth it out nice and thin, and then when you unplug those little pins, you can gently peel off to reveal the beautiful pattern. Reposition the stencil where you need to, just making sure that it lines up with the previous row, and then apply your buttercream and repeat the same step. I'd recommend popping your cake into the fridge after this just to allow that pattern to set nice and firm. That way you can't muck it up in case you touch it and whatnot. In the meantime, you can color your donuts. You can buy cinnamon donuts, then just kind of dust off as much of the sugar as you can. That's what I did. Otherwise, if you can find donuts or pre-order them from your local grocery store without any sugar coating on there whatsoever, you can do that as well. I dunked it into chocolate mixed with a little bit of oil and gel food color. Then I gave it a good tap to allow it to settle. I like to add oil because the gel food color can sometimes seize the chocolate. It also creates a bit more of a glossy finish on your donut, and it allows it not to be completely crunchy when you bite into it. Sometimes chocolate that has just been melted down on its own can have a bit more of a crunchy texture, and it's not very nice on a donut, I think. Add it to your cake with some toothpicks to make sure that it stays upright. You can even add a bit of buttercream behind it to stick it on there. And then add whatever edible decorations you like. I've got some white chocolate squares by Lindt. I've added some artificial greenery on there as well, just behind the donuts for a little extra flair. And some plastic flowers. For a little extra bling, you can add some edible dragées. I had 3 different sizes in silver. And that's it. That is how you create a really simple stenciled cake decorated with donuts that you can ice yourself at home with melted chocolate. I hope you guys enjoyed this cake decorating tutorial and give it a go. If you do, I would love to see your creation. #Rosie's Dessert Spot so I can check it out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.